Take 5 minutes for health and safety. Welcome to one of Cambridge Safety's Take 5 minutes for health and safety videos. In this video, we're just going to be talking to you about the Nebosh Certificate in Fire Safety. So if you're thinking about doing this particular course or qualification, I'm going to talk to you about the qualification itself and how we run it at Cambridge Safety. The Nebosh Certificate in Fire Safety. The course is subdivided into a number of elements, and the elements introduce fire safety and why organisations need to manage fire safety. We talk about the causes of fires and explosions, how they can be prevented, fire protection measures, the physics of fire and explosions, completing a fire risk assessment. It's mainly on fire, but we also deal with some of the issues of explosions from either dust or flammable gases. So there's a range of issues there in terms of the management of fire safety and the actual technical aspects of managing fires and preventing fires and explosions. You need to study all of the course elements before you undertake your course assessments. There are 2 assessments. The FSC 1 is a case study based open book exam. You'll get a case study with a number of tasks that have to be completed, and you're required to use the underpinning knowledge from your study of the course material to answer and complete a range of tasks. This is undertaken at a set date set by Nebosh, and there are at least 6 dates a year. And you have a 24-hour period to complete your open book exam. You can have access to all of your course notes and all of your course material, but anything that goes into that open book exam in your answers is your work and your work alone. As well as the FSC 1, you do the FSC 2. This is a fire audit and risk assessment. You're going to ask a range of different questions, so you'll need an organisation or a building that you can do the fire risk assessment on. You're going to work systematically through a range of questions and complete a suitable and sufficient fire risk assessment. If you pass both of those assessments in a 5-year period, as we hope you would, then you will achieve your Nebosh Certificate in Fire Safety. The best option is for you to attend a talk course. This is undertaken over 5 days of tutorials and 1 day to complete your open book exam. But we appreciate that everybody's not able to do that. So we have an e-learning option where everything that you need is on our e-learning portal and you can access it 24 hours a day when you're in the UK. And we have a distance learning option. If you prefer to have material in hard copy, then the distance learning one is for you. However you study, you need to be committing yourself to between 48 and 60 hours of study before you undertake your end assessments. At Cambridge Safety, if you study with us, we'll give you all of the materials that you need. You have our own handouts, 1 per course element, a key point summary for each element as well that brings out the key learning from that particular element. We'll ask you, however you study, to do an end of element review so you can check your understanding of the key issues within that particular element, and we can give you feedback as well as you progress through. Again, regardless of how you study, you will have an extensive revision package and programme to complete so you're as ready as possible as you can be when you take your end assessments. To support you, we have a series of podcasts available via SoundCloud and an extensive program of videos that can be watched. These are on YouTube, but you need to be given the link to actually access them because they're just for our students. So this is a potted tour of how we run it. You need to be thinking, though, in terms of undertaking this particular qualification. However you study, you are going to be able to put in the time and effort to complete it. However you study, this is not just about scanning the handouts or clicking through some slides. You will need to work your way through systematically all the material. This is a level 3 qualification in England and a level 6 qualification in Scotland. So it does require a significant amount of study for you to be able to complete successfully your 2 end assessments. If you study with us at Cambridge Safety and you want to attend the tutorials, these are run at our training centre in Peterborough, Cambridgeshire. Thanks very much for watching. If you want more details, please have a look at our website, www.cambridgesafety.co.uk. Our website has course dates for our talk courses and details of the prices of our distance and e-learning options. Thanks very much for watching.